Hi, I'm Jacinta.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And we're the trainers for
Team WLSA.
I'd have to say one of the biggest things for me that I've seen is when everybody first came. Everyone was a little shy, a little timid, and I've seen the personalities really shine.
The competitiveness start to come out as everyone starts to get more confident in their own abilities.
There's no one that doesn't support each other, so it's really, really heartwarming to see everybody growing, progressing, and that community vibe there.
Like Jacinta said, the community vibe, but also showing the clients something new, showing them things that they haven't seen before, and then seeing them really enjoy and light up as we go through different stages.
We're all a little bit shy, we're all a little bit timid, but we're all in it together. And you do this journey along with each other, which is really, really great. We're there to hold your hand, support you, anything that we need to change or that we can see that we can help you with, we're there for you as well.
What Team WLSA do really well, there's that sense of community, that sense of pride, and a little bit of closure, knowing that everyone's been through the same thing, we're here for the same reasons, and we're not alone. Be confident knowing that we're all in this together. We can't wait to be back next year and see so many faces again and so many new faces.
We love being the trainers for WLSA. We're going to come back faster, we're going to come back stronger, and we're just going to absolutely smash it.